a sentiment that resonates even more deeply as we gather to celebrate Pasko at Saya, a Merry Bicol University Christmas Special, Year 3. Grateful to have been your host since Year 1 and continuing into the present moment. I am delighted to reintroduce myself. It's with immense joy that I, Grace Velasco of BUI-PSR, extend a warm welcome once again. To kick off our evening program, let's commence with a captivating performance of the Bicol University Albay Magayon Dance Troupe as they present the opening salvo.
Maligayang Pasko, kayo'y bigyan. Masagana, masaganang bagong taong kangkang. Pagdiwang, pagdiwang, araw na may kapal. Upang manatili sa ating ang kapalaran. At mabuhay na lagi sa kapayapaan. Manuponinong, manuponinang. Narito kami ngayon, umahalik sa iyong kamay. Salamat Ninong, salamat Ninang. Sa amin ay ang iyong binigay. Manuponinong, manuponinang. Narito kami ngayon, umahalik sa iyong kamay. Salamat Ninong, salamat Ninang. Sa amin ay ang iyong binigay. Maligayang, maligayang Pasko, kayo'y bigyan. Masagana, masaganang bagong tao'y kantang. Pagdiwang, pagdiwang, araw na may kapal. Upang manatili sa atin ang kapalaran. At mabuhay na lang sa kapayapaan. Manuponinong, manuponinang. Narito kami ngayon, umalik sa iyong kamay. Salamat Ninong, salamat Ninang. Sa amin na ang iyong ibigay. Manuponinong, manuponinang. Narito kami ngayon, umahalik sa iyong kamay. Salamat Ninong, salamat Ninang. Sa amin na ang iyong ibigay. Manuponinong, manuponinang. Narito kami ngayon, umahalik sa iyong kamay. Salamat Ninong, salamat Ninang. Sa amin na ang iyong
Thank you again sa mapupula at mapuputing opening salvo brought to us again by the Bicol University Albay Magayon Dance Troupe. We would like to also acknowledge at this point in time our SICAT and Judge Bang Maceda, together with again, of course, ang napakagandang balita sa Bicol University, the 6th pioneer batch of Bicol University lawyers who passed the recently concluded bar examination yesterday. Congratulations mga attorneys ng Bicol University.
Manuponinong, manuponinang.
Ayan po. Siguro po kung may mga ninong tayo at nina ngayon, panahon na para magmano, para may early bonus na po tayo. Sabi nga po ng kanta, mano po ninong, mano po nina. Alright, now let us extend a warm welcome as we invite Dr. Maria Julieta B. Barres, our esteemed University Vice President for Academic Affairs, to share words of welcome with us. A round of applause, everyone.
to our lovely MC, now becoming a MC for all seasons. Second to Renelyn. Nandito kasi yung friend ko, hindi ko pwedeng ibigay yung corona sa iyo, Grace. May hihintay ka ng mga ilang pang taon. Alright, this is Anana. We're here again, third year of this beautiful tradition that we have started here in Bicol University. This is already part of us, of who we are as family. We are now again starting the favorite season of the year, and that is Pasko. Every time na nag-celebrate tayo ng Pasko, ang daming mga magagandang pangyayari na nagaganap, ano? Other than the bonus that we enjoy and we look forward to, nakakatanggap tayo ng mga regalo, material man at di material. And this year, we had early gifts even before the 25th of December. Bicol University community has already received its early gifts in the form of performances and national board examination. We have also to mention and we have to congratulate the College of Nursing, Pulangi Campus, and of course Tabaco for a very good performance once again and the nursing board examination. Patayuin po natin yung mga rayna ng mga campus ito. Pulangi, yan, mayroon silang top notcher. Top 9 ano? Top performing, yeah. At ang may top 9 nyo, si Madam na, Ibo. Patakpakan natin si Ma'am Ibo. And of course, nandito pa si Ma'am Boots. And another reason for us to be very thankful and to really be happy, we have the pioneer batch of the College of Law, and we have a very, very good performance also in the bar examination. Once again, let's give a round of applause sa ating 6 newly passed lawyers. Sila ang ating magiging advocates for justice. And of course, we say thank you to the pioneer also, the forefathers of the College of Law in Bicol University. Nandiyan si Attorney Alex, Attorney Reyes, and now the Dean, si Attorney Bartolata. And of course, the rest of those who helped Bicol University to formulate and to have this proposal get its approval, and now we are now reaping the first batch of the fruits of our hard labor to have the College of Law Bicol University. Palakpakan po natin ating mga lawyers. May they serve as inspiration to all of us, faculty members and also the students, that here in Bicol University talagang pinapatunayan natin na we are one of the best. And so, tayo ay nanirito para magkaroon ng kasiyahan. Ano nga ang title natin? Pasko at Saya. Wala nang iba, dapat lang masaya. And so we say thank you to the sponsoring units starting from the IPSR for giving us this very colorful, vibrant, exciting, full of rhythm, and later on music performances in this program. And also, of course, the Bugaay, the BUANs, the Buufay, and of course, GAS. This will continue for the next nine evenings. We're starting today, and we hope that we will be able to sustain this participation, the excitement, the fun, in the next coming 8 nights. Kasabay po dyan yung, including din yung holiday on December 8, at kasabay dyan yung Saturday and Sunday. So yung po mga magsisimba, we might as well already make a reschedule na instead doon tayo sa regular church natin na ina-attend ng ating regular masses pag Sunday or Saturday, then we could already just bring our family and join the fun here as we celebrate this Pasko at Saya sa Bicol University. I'd like to say good evening to everyone, particularly to our president, and of course, all the deans and directors, the vice presidents who are here. And it's so beautiful to look at you right now that we are all seated here dito sa harapan ng ating church at 4 pillars, nagkakaisa. We are one family. And this is very good. This is a very good activity that before we get so busy preparing for our own celebrations of Christmas, wrapping gifts for our family, our friends, nandito tayo to also be one community and celebrate and reflect on the essence of Christmas. For after all, Bicol University is also our family. And after all, most of our time in a week, we spend with our colleagues. So, tayo ay dapat magmahalan other than ang tayo yung magkasayahan, magmahalan tayo dito sa Bicol University. So, hindi ko na patatagalin kasi I know ang daming prepare na number ni Madam na Karina. So, let's just have fun and let this be really Pasko at Saya and Bicol University. Magandang gabi po.
Maraming salamat po, Dr. Maria Julieta Bores, our Vice President for Academic Affairs. This Christmas holiday serves as a poignant reminder that despite the formidable challenges that we have weathered, we stand united. Sabi nga ni Ma'am, no, tayo ay magkaisa at tayo dapat ay nagkakaisa. Ready to share our experiences and inspire one another. Herein lies the essence of Christmas, a season of inspiration, growth, and transformation. With open arms, we welcome you to our ceremonial Christmas lighting. Guiding us for this festive occasion are our esteemed leaders, including our SUC President 4, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, our Vice President for Administration and Finance, Attorney Norly P. Reyes, our Vice President for Planning and Development, Professor Sonny A. Ramos, our Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, Dr. Marisa N. Estrella, our Bugaay President, Engineer Divar and Rob Brigado, alongside our dedicated deans, directors, and head of offices. Yes, we also would like to invite the President of Pool 5, Engineer Fernando Matera, and of course the Deans and Directors, the heads of offices po. Can we please join our President and our Vice Presidents? Maraming salamat po. Let's have a countdown, everyone. Sabayan niyo po. Sabay-sabay po tayong mag-countdown. Saglit lang po, ha? Wala pa. Ayan, lights off po muna tayo. Ayan, habang nag-aantay po tayo, pag sinabi ko pong maligayang, ang sasabihin nyo, Pasko, okay? Everyone, maligayang! Pasko! Pwede po bang lakas-lakasan pa po natin, maligayang! Alright, ayan na po. Okay, countdown po tayo. Sisimulan po natin sa 10. Ready? Everyone, sabayan niyo po ako. 10, 9, lakas! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Hey! Pasko at Saya! A Merry New Christmas Special Year 3!
sa akin. Kanina, hindi. Ngayon lang, nalulubot yung power box, nilipat na ulit. Kami po gusto ko lang. Ayun.
Right.
Ayan na kuya, ba? Direct na yan.
Ayan na po. Thank you po tayo ha. Thank you. Okay, ready na po tayo ulit.
Doon ka na, Louie.
So sige, sabayan po ako ng mga audience.
Sa side.
Kunyari, nagka-countdown pa tayo. From 10 down to 1 ha. Sige. Para masaya pa rin ang Pasko natin dito sa Bicol University. Start po tayo ulit na countdown. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Christmas tree, let the Christmas fairy ring. Let the room have some pumpkin by there with some caroling. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas party hard. Mistletoe high where you can see every couple trying to stop. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly and day the horses bells are party. Come on, hey, la 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 la, la la la, rocking around Christmas merry rain. And we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Walking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas party hard. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned ways. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Deck the house with bells of holly. Come on, everybody! Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas merry ring. Everyone dancing merrily in the new.
Tuloy ang Pasko at saya sa Bicol University. Merry Christmas Year 3. Right? At this significant moment, we are honored to receive a message from our respected president that extend a warm welcome to Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. Masigabong palakpakan, Bicol University!
Akala ko Sabado ang paglalaba.
Gabi naman pala pwede.
Gabi naman pala pwede. Thank you very much, Grace. So we are celebrating Christmas at Bicol University, not Halloween. I would like to remind everyone. Sa aking BU family, a very Merry BU Christmas. Isang Paskong masaya para sa atin dito sa Bicol University. As we open this annual traditional of celebrating Christmas as one big Bicol University family, we thank God for the many blessings we have been continuously receiving. Yesterday, we had one of the biggest blessings so far. We now have 6 new lawyers. Lawyers for Humanity. And BU has been declared as top performing law school. Palakpakan naman po natin. Mahirap po yun. Mahirap din po yung i-sustain. So that's a challenge, Dean Joseph. Not bad for the pioneer class. Of course, we give due recognition to the foresight of Dr. Noli Mascareñas and the men and women who dreamed of a College of Law for Bicol University and made it possible, including the College of Law faculty, administration, and staff for their collective efforts in ensuring a good learning environment for our BU lawyers. As if all these graces are not enough, we have a top-notcher in the nursing licensure examination for the main campus. Dinibo? Wala na. Nagutom na rin. And the recognition of BU Pulangi as one of the top-performing schools in nursing. Dean Katangi, nagutom na rin ba? Buti pa sila, ako may diabetes. Our College of Medicine has also produced another batch of doctors. BU Ginubatan has steadily increased its performance above the national average in the licensure examination for agriculturists. Dean Rose. Parang sasabihin ko na yata, pray for us. Napakaraming biyaya para sa Bicol University. Hindi lang po ako overwhelmed. Tayong lahat. I'm sure that at this moment, so many miracles and graces are continuously flowing in some other corners of Bicol University and in our respective lives. But as we celebrate, as our hearts are filled with joy, we remember the members of the Bicol University family who have lost their loved ones in this joyous of all seasons. We remember the faculty and staff who were once here with us but has now passed on. We remember the victims and the grieving families of the Mindanao State University Marawi bombing, and our hearts with them. Let us offer a moment of silence for them and offer a prayerful thought for their souls and their families. To the virtual audience who are watching live feed right now, may your hearts be touched by the goodness of this season. To my beloved Bicol University family, let us continue to pray for one another, for the success of Bicol University and the safety of each member as we open the celebration of Christmas in Bicol University as one family. Let us continue to pray for peace and be the bearers of light and love as we bring a Merry BU Christmas for everyone. Naway makamtan natin ang payapang Pasko at saya na dulot ng pamilya. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa lahat.
Maraming salamat po to our beloved President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. And at this point in time, we are going to witness Christmas presentations, right, to one of our hosts in this first day of our Pasko at Saya, a Merry BU Christmas Special Year 3, the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation.
First, when there's nothing but a slow glowing dream that you feel seems to hide deep inside your mind. All alone I have cried silent tears full of pride in the world made of steel, made of stone. Everybody, ready for something else? It's party time! Well, when I hear the music, close my eyes, feel the rhythm. try. Can't hide it, can't find it. Everybody sing so. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Take me, tease me until I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah. Come on, DJ, motherfucker, free, yeah. Oh, yeah. And if there's no tomorrow, don't we have this here and now? I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream. Oh, honestly, I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Tell me, tease me until I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah. Come on, let's go. La 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 la, la 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 la. I cannot lie. From you I cannot hide, and I'm losing through to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So come on, leave me breathless. Tell me, tease me until I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Come on, leave me breathless. Come on, leave me breathless. Come on, leave me breathless. Come on, everybody, let's dance, come on! Let's go! Oh, yeah! Let's go! Long strikes upon the eye, and the sun begins to fade. Still no time to figure out how to change my blues away. All around about tonight, till I made it shows me how. And when the night falls, my only heart goes. Everybody sings, come on! Louder, everybody! Come on, I can hear you! just turn.
Everybody, come on, say hey! 1, 2, 3, say hey! Hey, 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 Everybody!
Life is meant to be divided, not hurting anyone or why to lose it. Let the music make you free if you want. You wanna be the no excuses. Do what you wanna do. Say what you wanna say. Go what you wanna go. Do. Let's get it loud. Let's get it loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get it loud. Let's get it loud. Ain't nobody gotta tell ya what you wanna do. No, no.
Go, Pres!
Ready po kayo mag-jump with Mariel Reyes.
Let's get it loud.
Let's get it loud!
Let's get it loud.
Let's get it loud!
Let's get it loud. Let's get it loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get it loud. Let's get it loud. Ain't nobody gotta tell ya what you gotta do. No, no.
Hey, Mariel T. Reyes, the Clash 2023 Top 4 finalist.
Merry Christmas pa!
Don't want love for Christmas. There was just one thing I need.
Si Mariel T. Reyes is our president, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin
Underneath the
Everett.
Christmas tree, I just want you for my own. More than you could ever know. Make my wish come true.
Come on, thank you so much! Merry Christmas, everybody!
All my life for Christmas, there is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with your Christmas day. 'Cause I just want you here tonight. All that you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. Oh, I won't ask for much this Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna see my baby standing right outside my door. And I won't wait till it's sending to the Lord for sending.
Bicol University IPESR.
Every time you take the night, every second side by side, as the shadow grows a smile. One, two, three, hey! We found love in the hopeless place. We found love in the hopeless place. We found love in the hopeless place. We found love in the hopeless place.
Maraming salamat for sponsoring Mariel Series, Bicol University General Alumni Association.
Thank you so much.
Headed by Engineer Devar Albrigado.
Let's go! Maraming salamat po! Merry Christmas, everyone! Thank you so much, Bicol University!
Thank you, Bicol University cast. Maraming salamat.
We found love in the hopeless place. We found love in the hopeless place. We found love in the hopeless place. We found love in the hopeless place.
Thank you, Bicol University Albay, Magayon, Dance Troupe. Maraming salamat.
I was petrified, felt like I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights just thinking how you did me wrong, and I was wrong, and I learned how to get along with sunlight from outer space. I was a silly body with that sad look on your face. I should have been just to connect. I should have leave you, leave a key. And if I had my foot just a second, you'll be back to follow me. Going out there, pour out of love. Just turn around now, 'cause I'm not welcome anymore. But you don't wanna try to hurt me with goodbye. Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, no, no.
Thank you to our Santa Claus, Mr. Ansibola. Maraming salamat. Thank you, BUIPSR, the Olympians, the official publication of BUIPSR for covering
Thank you so
this
much. Everybody!
Our cameraman, Mr. Lothar Prince Nunez, maraming salamat. Of course, to Bicol University Administration, staff, and Communication Services, maraming salamat for our live. Ihataw na natin ito. Thank you to our program editor, Mr. Ken Casapuerta.
Sabay-sabay, let's go! Hey! Won't you take me to funky town? 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 Here's my last song. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas, everyone! Thank you so much, Bicol University IPSR! Woo! Thank you, Ma'am Karina. Maraming salamat po. Ma'am Riza, thank you. Kay Press, President, thank you po. Press, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Everybody, Merry Christmas. Here's my last song. Thank you. Sabay-sabay. The last dance for love. Yes, it's my last chance for romance tonight. Oh, I need you by me, beside me, to guide me, to hold me, to slow me. 'Cause when I'm bad, I'm so So let's dance, tonight. One more time. And let's dance, the last chance for love. Yes, it's my last chance for romance tonight. Oh, I need you by me, 'cause I need to guide me, to hold me, to slow me, 'cause when I'm bad, I'm so bad. So let's dance, then let's dance, so let's dance, then let's dance, so let's dance, then let's dance tonight. Everybody, Merry Christmas po! Thank you so much!
Maligayang Pasko at saya, Bicol University. Thank you, Prepared 4th year, for coming. Maraming salamat.